Institutional Backend Operation Video 1. Or login. Open your computer browser and enter the URL a3ff-service.bitmoj-zm.com to enter the login page. You can switch the language in the lower left corner. For the first login, select verification code login and use an activated email address to log in. Gentle reminder, the first account logged in by the organization is the main account, and other sub-accounts are added by the main account. 2. Home page. After logging in, you will enter the home page of the institution backend. The interface is divided into 2 sections. The top section shows the number of devices, devices online, number of files, total number of tests, number of members, members online, number of tests today, and number of tests this month. The bottom section shows the most recent skin test record information, including task number, customer name, phone number, device information, and test time. Click Settings icon in the upper right corner to change your name, mobile phone number, email address, and password. Click Preview on the right to view the report interface and learn about the relevant test. Records. 3. Data Center. Click the Data Center button on the right side of the home page. Below it are 3 sub-navigation bars, namely Record, Document, and Device. The Record interface displays all skin testing records of the organization, including number, comprehensive score, customer, telephone number, device, group, department, and time. Below the navigation bar, you can switch device groups and departments, enter customer numbers, select time ranges, and input keywords to filter and view detection records. Click the Image button on the right to download the original image for detection. Click the image you want to save, and the border will turn green to select it. You can also click the All button on the lower left to select all images. Click the Download button on the lower right to save it to the specified location. After saving, you can view the downloaded image by decompressing it. Click the Preview button to the right of image to view the machine report interface. Click the Guide button on the right side of Preview to edit annotations and status evaluation levels for algorithms. The left side can switch the indicators that need to be adjusted. The middle part shows the detection image and multicolor brush tool in the editing state. And the right side can preview the machine report interface. If you need to add annotations, use the brush tool on the right to make line annotations, circle annotations, and free rectangle annotations on the detection image. If you want to delete extra annotations, click the Eraser tool. If you want to delete all annotations, click the Reset tool. There are 7 brush colors to choose from. After completion, click Save. If you need to modify the level and text of a certain indicator, click the Status button in the second column. Slide to adjust the level on the interface, and click Save. Click to close the guidance page and return to the backend main page. The document interface displays the customer number, photo skin test device number, group, department, customer name, mobile phone number, number of skin tests, and last test time corresponding to a single customer document. The upper navigation bar can switch between different groups, departments, search for device numbers, select time ranges, and input keywords to view customer information. Click the Export button on the far right to export the customer profile data table. Then click OK to save it to the specified location. Gentle reminder, the column headers in the data table are in English by default. Click the Remove button on the right to delete customer profiles. The device interface displays device-related information, including device number, device group, department, and last time. The navigation bar at the top allows switching between different groups, departments, searching by device number, selecting a time period, and entering keywords to view device information. Click the Edit button on the right to modify the device name, group, and department. For Settings, the third item in the main navigation bar is Settings. The navigation bar below displays organization, suggestions, product, banner ads, articles and videos, members, department, group, and product grouping. The organization page allows you to edit the organization name, region, name of the person in charge, mobile phone number, email address, organization introduction, and upload a logo image. After saving, the modified logo will be displayed in the upper left corner of the organization's backend webpage, and the modified organization name will be displayed in the upper right corner. The Suggestions interface allows you to edit the machine display text. On the left, select skin types and projects. On the right, the system displays text for 5 rating levels A, B, C, D, E. Click the Edit button on the Custom Settings page to modify the corresponding text content. Click on the paragraph you want to edit. The purple border indicates that the paragraph is selected. Next, click Edit. Each paragraph consists of 3 parts: title, copywriting, and image. Just follow the prompts to complete the entry. The Products interface allows importing products for recommendation. At the top, there are options for version, single item report, and comprehensive report. You can select either the skin series or the scalp series, as well as all items or individual items within the single item report and comprehensive report. Gentle reminder, above the single item report, toggle between system settings and custom settings. If the custom settings button is selected, if the customer does not enter any products, it will not only overwrite the content entered by the manufacturer, but also hide product recommendations. To return to the default state, click System Settings. If the customer enters products, it will overwrite the contents of the sample product. To return to the default state, delete all product recommendations and then click System Settings. The bottom is the product plan of the 5 levels of A, B, C, D, E. Next, click the Add button on the right to enter the editable page, where you can edit a single or multiple items under the 5 levels of A, B, C, D, E. Gentle reminder, the default product types are 5 levels: A, B, C, D, and E. If you need to change the product type, you can add it to the product grouping on the far right. The newly added product groupings will appear in the product type. If you need to change back to the default product type, just delete the product groupings. The Banner Ads interface allows you to add. On the far right, select either a skin analyzer, scalp analyzer, or comprehensive testing device. Click the Add button to upload images, which will replace the default banner ads on the app's homepage. You may also click the up and down icons to adjust the image order. If you delete all images, the banner ads on the app's homepage will return to their default state. The Articles and Videos interface allows you to add articles, videos, and photo albums. On the left, select either a skin analyzer, scalp analyzer, or comprehensive testing device. After clicking Add, select a content category. If article is selected, enter the title. Upload an image and input the article content note. Supported formats include JPG and PNG, and the file size must not exceed 2 megabytes. If video is selected, enter the title and upload a cover image and video file. Note, MP4 file is supported, and the file size must not exceed 100 megabytes. If photo album is selected, enter the title and upload images. The articles, videos, and images on the app's homepage will be replaced once uploads have been made. Users can also adjust the order of the images using the up and down arrow icons. The articles, videos, and images on the app's homepage will revert to default once all content has been deleted. The member interface allows you to view all the information related to the organization's accounts, corresponding groups, account types, names, mobile phone numbers, email addresses, and last use time. Click the Add button in the upper right corner to add more accounts by filling in the mobile phone number, email address, and name of the machine being activated. Gentle reminder, the first login of the institution is performed by the main account. The main account is the only one. After logging into the institution backend, add other sub-accounts here. Sub-accounts can add other sub-accounts later. All accounts set. Modify passwords at the settings icon in the upper right corner. If you forget the password of the main accountee sub-account, you can log in with the verification code. If you forget your mobile phone number or email address, you can retrieve it through the machine serial number. The department interface can be used to set up the divisions of the organization according to needs, and the operation can be completed through the Add, Edit, and Remove buttons, as shown in the figure below. The group interface can be used to set the device groupings of the organization according to needs, and the operation can be completed through the Add, Edit, Remove, and adjust the order up and down buttons, as shown in the figure below. The product grouping interface can be used to set the product grouping of the organization according to needs, and the operation can be completed through the Add, Edit, and Remove buttons.